Hello, welcome to question number 9B, WASSCE 2025 for Nigeria Section B. A sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter, subtend an angle of what? 105 degrees at the center. We have to find the perimeter in the area of that sector. So if a sector is in this form, the angle at the center is 105. We know this is going to be radius, and from here to here is going to be the length of this arc. So if I'm asked to find the perimeter, remember perimeter is distance round a field. So I'm adding the radius plus radius, making 2 radius plus the length of the arc. But how do you find length of an arc? Remember, length of an arc, which is the L, is the angle subtended at the center divided by 360 times the circumference, which is what? 2 pi r. So with all the information being provided, your length will now be 105 divided by 360, 22/7 times what? 6. Let's put all that in a calculator and see what the value is going to be. And if you do that, you should have a total of what? 11. We are dealing with what? Centimeters. So 11 centimeters. That makes your perimeter to be equal to 2 times the radius, which is 6, plus the length, which is 11. 12 plus 11, that gives us 23 centimeters. How about finding the area of a sector, angle at the center, divided by 360 pi r what? Square. So this becomes 105, 360, 22/7 times what? Radius, which is 6, times what? 6. So let's see what value we can get in our calculator. Okay, that all in calculator will give you 33 centimeters squared, because centimeter times centimeter will give you centimeter squared. I believe this is also clear. If you want more tutorial on the mains friction, check the playlist on YouTube, mains friction. I think this is under mains friction 2. Check it out and get more information. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.